Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by using an admin account so changes stick for all apps. Once signed in, open Settings and go directly to Privacy and Security. From there, click Windows Security, then choose App and Browser Control to find Smartscreen settings. Once the page opens, make sure you understand which Smartscreen is active: Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Store Apps, or Windows Explorer. Now proceed to the specific control you need to change. Do not skip verifying which area blocked your file before Now change the protection one step at a time so you can test results and stay secure. Choose the specific Smartscreen control, check Apps and Files or Smartscreen for Microsoft Edge, and switch a setting from Block to Warn so you still receive alerts but can proceed. Make sure to click Yes on UAC when prompted. This confirms intent and records the change. Once done, try opening the flagged file to confirm it runs. Then revert settings if you prefer stricter default. Finish by scanning the file with Windows Defender so you know it's clean. Once the scan passes, run the file. If Smartscreen still blocks, right-click the file, choose Properties and tick Unblock in the General tab, then Apply. This clears the zone identifier. Make sure to restore Smartscreen to its previous level if you used Warn temporarily. If problems persist, reboot, repeat the scan, and check event logs for Smartscreen details so you can pinpoint the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.